Instagram is one of the most advanced apps in the world. But what if I told you I built a full featured clone, stories, feed, notification, reels, chat, all of it using React Native, Expo, and a Laravel backend? Hello guys, welcome back to SM Software. My name is Shabani Musomba. And in this video, I'm going to show you how exactly you can do it too. This isn't a UI demo. This is a production ready system, something you could ship or use it to your portfolio to land jobs. If you can build this, you can build any social media app, Twitter, YouTube, Shorts, TikTok, any, because the architecture is the same. Let me show you everything this clone can do. Okay, the app is here. So I just wanted to show you what we got so far. We can try to, the user is required to be authenticated. So sign in or sign up. Let's go with the sign up. Give any name. And any email. And the password must be at least 8 digit. You can also view the password. Sign up. Right. So once users sign up, the user will be redirected to the home screen. So I want to walk you through what you have in the app so far. Start with the header. The header, we have activities and also messages. If you click on activities, since user hasn't done anything, there's nothing in here actually to see. But later on, you will come back, you will see that we got some activities there. So we also got chat messages. Here is nothing. User can also create a new chat or start a new conversation. You can send a message. Hello. Hello. The message sent successfully. Now if you go back to messages, you see that you have that message here. We can go back to home screen or home feed. These are stories. You can start with the stories. So stories, they also they can only live for 24 hours. After that, will be automatically deleted from the server. Another thing is that these are really so it can only play if it's active on the screen. Right now, the story is active on the screen, so it's playing. And by default, it's also muted. We can scroll, so user can like the story, and we can also go to next one. Go view any story, any really. So we will get back to one by one, but right now I just want to walk you through what we have in this app so far. So you can just go through the app and see. Back end, we are using Laravel, and also we have AI integrated to generate, to handle feed generations, suggestions, and also some algorithm behind the scene. Very soon, the whole video very soon. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and also make sure that to bring more. Okay, this was me. We also got posts, so I can turn off the sound because of the echo with the mic here. So user can open the post. We will get back to this one. I'm just showing you an example right now, but we can still keep scrolling down to see more what we got in here so far. So these are all of them is still post. So we have post plus reels mix. So these are um, suggestions generated by our backend. So we have many, so we can keep scrolling. There are many. So these are real posts. These are not static content. Okay, just so this was it for the reel. Sometimes you can also see the users, list of users, suggested users to follow. But let's go now next to the bottom. So bottom, we got a home screen. This is the current home screen. We got the search or explore. So if user press on that, this will probably open the uh, search. So user can search, can find more videos, so got videos, users, stories, posts, all of them in here. Next, we got also create post. This is one of the hardest part of real of Instagram. So we got create post, create stories, which is this is actually real time. If you click on, I click on the camera on create story. So this is actually going to open the camera. If I click create also reel, this also open the camera. So we will get back to this one, so we can go over one by one to test actually how to create a post or create a story or create a reel. You can also turn the camera, whatever. Okay, let's get back to next one, which is uh, reels. So these are reels feeds. They're also generated by algorithm behind the scene. So we use AI, we use a lot of different couple of technologies back there to just make sure that the user is comfortable.
Coming out.
So user scroll to view more. You can keep scrolling. So we this the content, the post we are seeing here is only post suggested for this user, since user has user performed some interaction, like the videos, clicked on some posts. So back end now we got at least idea of what user is looking for to at least generate some suggestion, some content. So we can view more or read more of the captions. Next one we have, first of all, we can also, user can add, we have add content, comment, sorry. Add comment also works, but since we're still also under development, there's some things that are not really working correctly. You can get back to correct it. Another thing is user profile. So this is pretty much as this is exactly as a Instagram profile. We got settings. Let me walk you through first for the settings. You can see the settings you have here. We have most of this that are working. Most of this are working, but we want to go through over them, so we can just see what is essential for now. Let's create, let's add or select a profile picture for this user. I select this one, profile picture, crop it, add about user. So this is about me. Save. So this will be very fast. I hope so. Okay, that was saved successfully, updated. Now if we go back here, you see the profile. Now user got you got now down at the bottom here. You see now you got avatar image. So user got match here. Here I can edit also directly, edit the profile and also add different stuff. So if user got post, they will appear all here. I'll show an example of the user with the post. Okay, so this is it for, first of all, walk through the app, overview of our app, what we have so far. So let's take now an example of, for example, here, visiting user, the owner of this reel. First of all, this is a reel. If I press on this will open the user. You can see the user got followers, post and whatever, but it's also an error here because this is supposed to show all posts, to count all posts, post include reels to show them here, but this is only showing the post. So you can follow the current user. If I pull to refresh, you'll see that we are actually following this current user. What we haven't implemented in this video is in this clone is real time. So we haven't implemented the socket IO, whatever. We haven't implemented that yet. User can go to notification. It doesn't have any notification yet. So I will log in with a user with notification and you'll be able to see that. So if, for example, click here more, at the bottom, be able to see options to take with this some actions to take with this user, share profile, copy, report, block, or restrict all of this. Okay, another thing, we can go back to home screen. For example, you can, if I click or press on this reel, it will open that reel. It's here. So this is the same thing we have already seen that. You can like the reel and also performance the rest. And at the
Okay.
bottom, we
So
also
this
show
is
the
working.
progress at the bottom here. So we have much more we can add. This, but this is actually 75% of Instagram clone. Okay, let's take a look of, we can like the reel first. You can also like and do much more with this one. Let's take a look at the stories. Is also very important. I want to explain to you what is happening with the stories. So story, if I click on story, it will start playing. If it's a video or is an image, it will just play. Tap to go to the next user, to the next story. If there is no next story, it will jump to the next user. So let's take a look. This is a video. So we can also send message directly to the user. So this is we have an error here. We will correct this. You see this, it picked up a wrong image, thumbnail, but we will fix this one. But the message was sent directly to the story owner. So that's, you can also send message or start a conversation directly like that way. Another way is, let's start again. Stories. So we have a progress bar. But so this progress bar is actually the video duration, which is up there. Once that complete, it will jump to the next user. So we can also tab to go to the next user. So this is playing next user's story. Okay, this is a video. Can tap to go to the next story. If there's no more stories and I tap, it will jump to the next user. Next user, the story. You can send likes automatically. So I just that error I said before, that we have a bug on our back end. We are picking a wrong thumbnail. So this is an error. We will go through our stuff again. So if you go back now to our chat, our messages, you see now the conversation we have. So you have a list of conversation here. If you see the conversation, see the message sent. We can go back to home screen. So one thing I want you to do next, but before going back to the home screen, I want us to sign in. Let's sign in with a different user. I got another user here, and what users we can do at example.com, and put the password because I can remember the password for this one. So yep. So this user got, I think, got notifications. So we have the same thing. We have the same thing, but this user also got suggestions a lot. These are content generated by suggestions generated by our backend algorithm. So what do you need to do? I want to first of all access the activities. This is what I want to show you. So you can see now the activities. This user at least got some activities. Just the way I said before, the app is under development. So we have a lot of to correct. We have a lot of to work on. But this is just showing you what we have so far. And if I open the chart, you see now we go to chart, sent. We have chart here. I can replay. Hi to. This is how the chart looks like. So this is the same. This is the participant and this is the current user. We can view more. This is this one. Yep. So this is the chart. I'm just going to show you a little bit more about the chart. We can go to notifications. I want to see if this current user got more posts. So we can go to notifications. So notifications. Okay, this user got a notification at least. Can sweep to delete notification. Sweep to delete. You see the notification there. Noor like your reel. I don't know. Noor like your reel. And we also have Nabila Noor started following you. So these are notifications received. These are notifications. So if I pull to refresh, you see that you pull to refresh. You see that we only have 2 notifications left remaining. I can also delete these 2. If I pull to refresh again, you see these are only 1. I can also delete this one. And if I pull, there's nothing. Actually, you can't pull because there's nothing there. So these are real content, and we are actually our back end is working. Yeah. So I will show you the back end, the setup for back end, what we have so far. So from also your profile, from user's profile, just the way I said, some images they take time to load because of course, we are not using CDN. So the images are not really compressed before sending them to our front end. But for back end, we are using FFmpeg. We also have some optimizations for major. Even though when you are sending them to the front end, you still have to optimize them. Also use maybe something like a CDN so that it can load faster. So these are real. If I press on this, it's actually, if you click on this one, it will actually go ahead and open that reel. So it may also take time, depend. You can go, let's go back to home feed. I want to show you just a little bit about post before going back to going to most important most important thing, which is create posts. This is the hardest part. This is the hardest part. I can show you that. Okay, let's open the post. This is a single post. We haven't seen this one, but we haven't seen a single post. That's why I wanted to just show you how the single post looks like. This is a single post. You can share a comment. I like this. I like this one. Okay, next, hardest and most advanced part of Instagram is the create post, story, or reel. Let's start with the create post. Click create post. So here you can create a post. Let's go with this one. Select post. We can select one post, one image for now. So another thing I want to mention before that, we have a very advanced system here in this application. This is not just this is not a demo. This is actually a very advanced we got features, advanced features in here. So that we have things like FFmpeg implemented. So user can choose to create a video, to mix a video with the music, to create a video. So we have a lot of happening behind the scene with this application. Let's start with the creating. Just upload upload a video. This is just a short video. Let's try this one. This is our first option. Um, this is me, about me. Okay, anything is fine. Post created successfully. If you go to your profile, you see that post is here. Yeah, the post is here. Let's go and create post again, but this round we want to select many major, just like Instagram. Select many images. So we can go here, select image. I want to select a short video so that we can go quicker. This one. So go next. This is about testing. Sent. So this will meant take a couple of seconds because yeah, that was very quick, because once you send many major plus video plus what, so behind the scene we have to process one by one to see what to do with the major here. That post also is created, so we will see them that post later. Next option, I want to show you, just still with the creating post. I want to show you next option. Another advanced feature we have here is we can select an image. Let's select this image, a major. Okay, this is just one major, but you can also do it with the many. Next, now select music. This is going to play. So just play. So we can select this music. This is a post with music, anything. So what is happening here? Before, I just want to explain to you that, okay, once you create a post, we send a post with the music. So we have options which we will implement to show user to choose from. Create a video from this post, or play music as a background once the user or visitors that seeing your major. So these are things we will give users option. But right now we just generate a video from this music. So this may take also a couple of minutes because of the music. So we have to process, back end is processing. So this depends on the server capability to do it fast. Now that was completed. Another option, we will see those images later, just post this later. Another option now, which we want to go next, is now create story. That is done with the create poster. So this is create story. You can pick up image. I can pick up a major from my gallery, users gallery. So here you can pick up a story, or you can keep up a video, pick a video or an image. So this depends on anything you are able to pick up. This is a bit longer. This video is 56 seconds. Since it was taken with my phone, it will probably be a big size. So I don't want to play it because it will take time. You can play it here. I don't want to play it to take time. So you have also an option to select major. You can select major if you want to use that. So this is the same thing as the as post. You can select major. So these are major. These are loaded from our backend. We can go to. You can add captions, but we don't want to do that. We want to save time. So this is exactly like Instagram. So this is one of the most advanced features, like for Instagram. So we replicated all of it from scratch. Yeah. So we have it and it's working. So you can select friends. You can select whatever, send as a message. So we don't want to do that option. We want to take a easiest option to go fast. So share post. So this is just going to share this story. So this is our video. Remember, this is a video. It was is going to be processed by from our back end to compress it, make a small size, and send that. So if you go also here, that video, that post is here. You can see how many seconds. That is 12 seconds
Instagram is
exactly
one
the
of the
time
most
it was
advanced
uploaded.
apps in the world.
Okay, next part, we can also create story, but I want to show you. For example, press hold. You can first of all turn the camera, front camera. Hi. So press hold to take a video. Okay, this is a video I'm taking from my phone for our Instagram clone. Okay. Okay, that video is there. Okay, this is a video I'm taking from my phone. Okay, so we can now share that automatically. So this is a very advanced features, and it was hard work we did. So if you go back to stories, uh, this is that story
Okay,
created
this is a
now.
video I'm
But
taking
if you
from
notice
my
one thing
phone
here, we're
for
supposed to
our
do reverse. So you're
Instagram
supposed to
clone.
start with the oldest
Okay,
one.
this is a video
That's
I'm
how
taking
Instagram
from my phone
does it.
for our
Start with
Instagram
the
clone.
oldest one to the
Okay, this is
newest.
a video I'm taking from my phone.
Okay, so this is it. Next, we can go with the create reels. So you can guess what is there is exactly the same thing. So for reel, we also have the same design. You have a different design. Another thing, you notice here is that we have animation for every single screen, different style, different design. So everything is well organized. Okay, so we can also save time. I just want to show you what you have here. So we have this option for Instagram. I tried my best. I can tell you that I tried my best, and I haven't finished it. So I'm still working on this feature. You can see this is supposed to be effects, effects, a lot of stuff. The way Instagram does it, but right now we just have the main feature, which is we can press. Well, first of all, change the camera, front camera or back camera. So you can press to take a video. Okay, we are taking a video. This is my laptop, and that machine is there. We are running our server, which is actually our server. That's a Linux machine. We are running our server for this app. Okay, to take a video. Okay, we are taking a video. This is
The
my
post is here. You
laptop,
can
and that
see
machine is
how the
there.
design
We
is
are
different
running
from
our
create
server,
post, which is actually our
plus
server.
also
That's a
create
Linux
stories.
machine. We are running our
If
server
now
for
you can
this
also
app.
select image,
To take a video,
music.
okay,
We
we are
do
taking a
we do
video.
the same thing,
This
but
is
I don't want
my
to show you
laptop,
that. I don't
and
want to
that
do that.
machine is there.
I
We are
want
running our
to
server.
go to next. So this one you can see is totally different from the create story or create post. This is really uh, this is our clone Instagram reel. Okay. So I have actually sent that image, but I was supposed to show you something. You can save it as draft, or you can just upload it. So we are also processing this one. Our backend, once we send the major video, image, anything, we process them. So I will show you, we use also cloud server to authenticate or to clean up the major because of virus, and also just save it after that. Okay, let me show you one thing. One thing we are doing here for really also, really, if you select, for example, on a major, this one, you can, first of all, this one for really is only videos allowed, not any, only videos. So let's take this one, any of this, let's take maybe this one. We also have a session. This error is about the session, camera session, major access session, which we need to be
When I'm not coding, I remind myself
okay.
life is more than screens and algorithms.
Okay, let's go create again. But I want to show you some features we have here. Some of them we haven't implemented them yet. So add the AI label, add the audience followers, so these are all features. So we did a hard job to create the design, to add all these features. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also like the video. You can also contact me. Also contact me if you want more features like this, or you want to be coached on how you can do this. This is a high level of engineering. All right, so let's go and share. So we can share this post without any caption. It still work because we don't depend on the captions on our back end to create the post. The post was created successfully, or the reel was created successfully. Okay, so if you go back to now, go to this user, you will see we have bunch of posts created by this user. So you got posts, like all of these, posts, reels, all of this. Okay, one thing is, let's try to, we can log out, log out from this user. So go to the top, and we have the screen. I'm sure I talked about this one. So the screen is the settings screen. All of this, they're exactly like Instagram. So you can log out, press log out. All right, lastly, we can see forgot password, which is part of authentication. So forgot password, we also have reset password. So all of these are working, because we have a strong back end, which is already working. So this is it for the whole app. One thing we need to do, I will need to show you, is the setup of our back end. After that, we will now work on start now creating the whole course. So how we are going to build this from scratch. All right, let's take a look of setup. So this is a Linux machine. This actually where is my Laravel running. So this Laravel and also React Native app. And I want to show you that our app is actually running here. If I do cd www ls, the app, our main app is here. So I can just show you what we have. Do ls. This is our Laravel app. So you are running on a local server, local network. We also have NDX which is running. So if I go to network, this is the one, and local host, it's still loading the same. So this is a setup for to help me run mobile apps on different devices within this network. Okay, can close this. Also close this one. Another thing is here, this is now our React Native app. This is the React Native. We are using Expo client because some stuff can't work on Expo Go, so we're using Expo Native. So this is the app is here, it's launching. Yep. After scan it, so this is the app here. You can log in, create an account to see. Let's try to just create an account or log in with an existing account. So this is the app here. Apps here. If you go to .env, and to show you what we got in .env file. This is our backend, the base URL. If you are serious about mastering React Native, Expo, and Laravel, this project that will change the game for you. Subscribe, hit the bell, and let's build something people won't believe you made.